So, what are you going to do if you've been sexually harassed at work? Research has shown that more than half of women have actually been sexually harassed in some way in the workplace, which is a horrifying statistic. Obviously, if it's really bad and you think they're going to do something about it, go to the police. And if you want to, go on social media or try and go in the media and name and shame your boss, that's great. At the same time, we understand that a lot of people have got lives to lead, mortgages to pay, and they just want to put their kids through college and kind of move on and forget about all of this stuff. In which case, if that's you, you might want to try and negotiate yourself an exit package, settlement agreement deal. Now, you've heard in the media about hush money for being paid off for a gagging order as if this is a bad thing. Actually, do you know what? A lot of employees, they don't have an alternative. They don't want to go to court. They don't want a big fuss and a big deal and spend years and thousands on lawyers and where you could still lose at the end of the day. So, if you want to negotiate yourself a decent exit package deal to help you just tide yourself over until you get the next decent job with decent people, how do you go about doing that? Well, surprisingly, against most of the advice you're going to read online, we would recommend you don't put a grievance in, and you don't put it in writing, and you don't make a formal complaint. Okay? Because if you do that, what's going to happen is that's going to trigger an investigation within your workplace. Suddenly there'll be witnesses, there'll be meetings, there'll be managers. You know, the amount of time and effort and money, and at the end of the day, most companies are going to find the perpetrator actually innocent, or they're going to at least say there's not enough evidence. And not only have you not got anywhere, but then they've spent a load of money on that process, which they could have given to you instead if you'd never started that process. So we recommend making an approach to your company on a without prejudice basis. That means a confidential, off the record basis. This can be done in a meeting or a phone call or a letter. It can be done via your lawyers. For example, we do that ourselves here at Monaco Solicitors, or you could try it out yourself. We've got loads of templates on our websites that you can use to adapt in your case to send to your company. But ask for an amount of money. Set out as well how much you've loved working at that company, all your achievements, and how shocked you are and how disappointed you are. But ask for an amount of money in exchange for a settlement agreement with the confidentiality clause so that you can just move on. And then at the end of the day, hopefully they will also get rid of that manager too, especially if there's been other complaints about them. But they can do it in a manner which kind of saves face for them and also saves money for them. And guess what? They're going to be able to give that money to you. So, okay, you can't turn back the clock and you can't make the past disappear, and what happened, but at least there can be a bit of a financial silver lining in this particular cloud just to enable you to kind of move on with your life, maybe take a bit of time off and then just make the next career move that suits you. Thanks very much.